from Artful Sass Design. This is a butterfly kit. It's not very big, but it has lots of beautiful butterflies. You can make into journal cards. Here are some tags and some journal cards. This is overall collage you can use to make lots of different things. The same lovely monochrome, which can be used to make tags and things as well. Another collage page. You can rip around these different sections and make interesting things for your junk journals. There's a belly band and some more journal cards. Some more journal cards. This one's with a slightly more oriental flavour. This one is a double one that can go over the top of a page. Another lots of butterflies. This can be used for the back of journal pages, of which there are 4. And here are the journal pages. So these print out like this. My printer puts a white edge, but they can be folded off, the edge folded over, the edge trimmed away, and you've got journal page. That's the first one. This is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Again, these can be folded in half, and you have interesting journal pages. You can even write on these ones. That's it with the journal page on the back. So when you open it up, it's got stuff in. There's 2 pages of tags. These can be used with the journal images, where you can take any of the images and these can be ripped out and they can be placed on these tags and make your own interesting designs, and then you can use some fussy cutting to add to them. So there's one with lots of patterns. This is a double one that goes over the top of a page, and have given you a similar page in more muted tones, but these ones have some, and a butterfly on top at the flowers would be just gorgeous. So from Artful Sass Design, thank you, bye.